Welcome to our channel. If you want to access free trial subscriptions and premium services through your bank's partnership programs, follow these step-by-step instructions to claim these valuable financial institution perks. Step 1. Log in to your online banking portal or mobile banking app to explore perks and rewards programs available to account holders at your financial institution. Step 2. Navigate to the Rewards, Benefits, Perks, or Lifestyle section within your banking interface, where partnership offers with premium services are typically displayed. Step 3. Review available offers that include free trials or discounted subscriptions to streaming services, news platforms, fitness apps, financial tools, or cybersecurity software. Step 4. Check the eligibility criteria for each offer, as some benefits are exclusive to specific account types such as premium checking, savings accounts, credit cards, or customers with minimum balance requirements. Step 5. Select the free trial offer you're interested in and click Learn More or Activate to view complete details about the trial duration, included features, and post-trial pricing. Step 6. Follow the redemption process, which typically involves clicking a unique link that takes you to the partner services website with your promotional offer automatically applied. Step 7. Create an account with the partner service or sign in if you already have one. Some offers require verification of your banking relationship through email confirmation or account linking. Step 8. Complete the activation process and start using the service immediately. Note when your bank-sponsored trial expires and whether you'll receive continued discounted rates as an ongoing bank customer benefit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.